Welcome to Willow Creek Olive Estate, one of the largest olive estates in South Africa. A little bit of background on the farm. We're standing actually in the orchard that was first planted in 1999, and they expanded from 10 hectares all the way to 193 hectares of olives.
Ek het lammy, ek het 20 jaar plaas. Ek het die bome, eerste boom, en die op die plaas. Ek werk baie lekker hier, so dat ek geniet. No set op my lekker.
The history of Willow Creek is well known in the whole of South Africa. The owners of the farm at the time actually was part of the group that started SA Olive as an industry. The reason why we are perfect situated for olive cultivation is due to the nice climate we have here in the heart of the May Valley. We don't get unnecessary rain, we don't get frost. We can manage what we want to do with olives. We've got drip irrigation. When we need to give water, we give water. When we need to give fertilizer, we give fertilizer. And our lime-rich soil and the clay pockets with well-drained soils just makes it perfect for new growth and nice trees and perfect olive oil.
We are pruning our orchard today, pruning for a teacup shape, for new light and air throughout the tree, so we chase on new growth.
This time of year, we're starting harvesting, very exciting. New season, new oil, new smells, nice blends, perfect for our country. Look at the bottle, look at the wards, look at the oil, taste the oil. It is phenomenal.